Welcome guys to our first YouTube video.
This is the Cross Fam series.
Yes, and we're doing this little intro because we forgot to record the part when we move out from Vermont. So we're doing this little intro video right now.
Yes, there was just a lot of chaos going on when we were moving out. We had to be out of our apartment by September 1st. And we had to clean the entire apartment, and we had to move everything out of that apartment to storage units here near our house because we actually didn't close on the house before we had to be moved out of our apartment.
It was super stressful.
Yes, it was a very intense experience to say the least.
So let's go back in time, and we're gonna show you guys like how we did it, and like it's gonna be like a video blog. So let's go.
All right, let's do it.
And then let's go to the camera.
So put your hand like this. And now go. This sucks really bad.
So Mercy went to buy some more boxes.
Because we are discovering more and more that we have a lot of shit.
I know.
We have a lot of shit.
Yeah.
But it's gonna look way better tomorrow because we're gonna do a trip down to my dad's to bring some of this stuff. And then, yeah, so we'll bring the rest tomorrow.
I like your shirt. From Peru.
Bonito, no? And these pretty flowers. That's why we can't bring them with us. I hope they'll make someone else happy.
No. Yeah, we don't have like space to like where to put the flowers right now, but it's okay. We're going to Mercy's dad.
We got a bunch of shit in the back that we gotta drop off. It's getting down to crunch time, down to the wire. We gotta be out of our apartment by tomorrow. Still have a lot of cleaning to do. Still a lot of stuff in the apartment. Honestly, I don't know how we're gonna do it.
Mercy's just stressed out, but me too.
I've been very stressed also because I've been having to work at the same time.
And it's the busy season.
Busiest time of the year for me, so everything is literally happening all at the same time. I need a beer.
I love you, amor.
I love you, baby. We're gonna get through it.
Yeah. That's how the apartment looks at 8:16 at night. It's better.
It's actually not too bad.
We also need to clean the fridge and the stove and, well, our bedroom. How you feel, Mercy?
I feel like I'm out of my mind.
What we should do, just take a nap and wake up tomorrow at 6 a.m.
I think so. So I'm just gonna throw that box away. I'm not gonna use that. Honestly, a lot of this stuff is pretty small, so I'm just gonna...
The bathroom is also clean, but we only need to do the bathtub, which is gross. But that's our bed. Very nice bed. So we just wake up. It's 3:44 and we're gonna start doing package. There's Mercy. He took a shower.
I feel fresh.
Fresh like a lettuce. Ready?
Let's do it.
3:44. We have, I don't know, 7 hours?
More like 8.5.
Nice. We can do it. I think I'm gonna shower. We just cleaned the fridge. Well, it's not clean.
We took
But-
everything out.
Yes.
At least. So we can start cleaning it.
And here's just our babies. Well, Sean's babies.
Yeah.
His beers.
Very important. Can't throw these away.
No, like 5.
One more time.
1, 2, 3.
That was a good one.
Yes.
Our bag. Donuts from Dunkin'. It's necessary, and a bagel and a coffee. Just dashed to the storage unit to try to get some stuff out of here. We almost have everything out, but our inspection, our move-out is at 12. It's 9:09, so we have less than 3 hours to get this place completely cleaned.
Last minutes. ¿Cómo vas, Sean?
Just doing some final cleaning.
But look at this! We did it! So we passed the inspection!
Passed the inspection thanks to her. Got our security deposit back thanks to her.
May!
And we're also allowed to stay for one more night, which is awesome.
We are ready to move!
Ready to move. Can't cook anything, so we got some Subway, some fruit roll-ups, and some ice cream. And yeah, I guess we're just gonna kind of
Enjoy.
camp out for the night in this empty apartment. This is our bed.
We don't even have a light.
I know that it's dark in here, but the floor is our bed.
Let's enjoy, babe. We did it.
I'm hungry. Feels weird. I won't lie. It's kind of a bittersweet ending because man, we're moving to an amazing house. It's way better than this apartment, but it's also been my home for 8 years, which feels weird.
We also forgot to do the end part of the video, so here we are again.
It's months later. It's November 11th today. And yeah, a lot of time has gone by. But we actually just finished officially moving everything from Vermont to here last weekend. Sorry, the weekend before that, I think.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, like 2 weeks ago. So it was an intense process, but yeah, we got through it.
If you guys like this video, so please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.
Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and stay tuned for the next one.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you very much. Bye.